What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel, owner of Bent Rod Fishing, and today we're doing a color that is near and dear to my heart, and it's called the Ginny. And yes, that is a strange name for a bait color. I understand, it's weird. There's a story behind it, so stay tuned for that and buckle up. Let's make some baits. Okay, so let me introduce you to our cast of characters for today's color. Starting from left to right, we have Lureworks Green Pumpkin 109. There in the back, we have Bait Plastics Royal Blue, I believe. In the front there, that is a Hobby Lobby special Duo Green Yellow, Green Dash Yellow, Duo Green Dash Yellow, Pearl EX. It's a mica powder. And on the right, on the left, is .04 Lureworks Black Hex Glitter. Now, on the other side of the gloves and thermometer, you have more Pearl EX. This is Reflex Violet Mica Powder, also available at Hobby Lobby. In the back there, come on now, Barney Darko. I believe that's .025 Barney Darko. And then on the far right, you have String Hollow Silver Flake from Bait Plastics. That's going to be the belly on the right, and the top color is going to be on the left. So you basically have like a variant of green pumpkin on the top and then a unicorn fart as a belly. Trust me, it's going to look cool. It does look really good. So hang in there and we'll start building this. Okay guys, well as promised, there is a story behind the name of this color. So this color is an exclusive color that I made for Jake's Bait and Tackle in Winchester, Virginia. Jake's was the first tackle shop to ever pick me up and put me on their shelves. They have done way more than that for me even. They rent out some of their space at the Richmond Fishing Expo to me at a much discounted price so that I can afford to be there. That has given me exposure. As I've mentioned before, my two pre-rigged baits took best in show there. If it wasn't for Jake's, I wouldn't have been able to afford to do that. I wouldn't have gotten any of the notice that I've gotten. I owe Jake's Bait and Tackle a lot. So I approached them and said, hey, I'd like to do an exclusive color for you. A color that I won't sell on my website, I won't sell it on whatnot. Nobody can get it anywhere except right here at Jake's Bait and Tackle. And they were like, that sounds awesome, thank you so much. So I made a color for them. This was about 2 years ago. The top color was black with silver flake, and the belly color was red with black flake. I thought it looked really good. They agreed. They thought it looked really good. It sold poorly. I mean, it went over like a fart in church. It did not do well at all. We think it's because we are nestled between the Shenandoah and the Potomac River, and it is smallmouth heaven out here. And most people are focused on smallmouth, and that black and red combo just traditionally tends to be more of a largemouth color. So we gave it a year. It did not sell well at all. And so last year I approached Ginny, the daughter of the owner, Jerry, and said, hey, I know that that color did not go over well. Why don't we try again? And she said, okay. What do you have in mind? I said, well, I don't know. I don't necessarily have anything specifically in mind, but I think it needs to be more smallmouth focused. And she said, I agree. I said, I think that's where the first one went wrong. There's just not a lot of drive around here for that. And so she said, you know what I want? I want like a green pumpkin on the top and like some kind of purple on the bottom, but you do your thing. Make it yours, make it bent rye, like make it fancy, but like a green on top and a purple on the belly. And I said, psh, hold my beer. So I went immediately home and started working on the color. This is the color I came up with. Now, as I was walking away, she jokingly said, and you have to call it the Jenny, which stopped me right in my tracks. I was like, oh, that's happening. She looked at me, big old eyes. She's like, are you serious? I'm like, heck yes, I'm serious. That's epic. We're calling it the Jenny. And it has been a much more popular color. It has done much better in sales, and we're catching really nice fish on it. I had one of my pro staff last year, Troy Wines, take it out on the James and put a hurtin' on some smallmouth. If you search my YouTube channel, you can find, I believe it was on a short I did of him saying, call Jenny at 867-5309 or something like that. It was pretty funny. But anyway, yeah, this color is pretty banging, and I hope you love it. Now, once we get to the end of this video and you see the color, if you're thinking, man, that is awesome, which you will, because it is, and you're thinking, I'm nowhere near Winchester, this stinks, I can't get it, nay, you can't get it. Jake's has a website, and they have this color on their website. I will have the website linked in the description of this video, so just pop down there and copy and paste that link in and go check it out. You'll be supporting a family-owned small business. You know, one of my favorite memes I see on social media these days is, you know, Walmart doesn't need your business. These small local businesses need your business. The tackle shops, the mom and pop tackle shops, they're the ones who need you. And right now, with the economy the way that it is, it could not be any more true. And I'm telling you right now, I'm only listing what's on the surface of what Jake's does for this community. They host the Frederick County Bass high school and junior high Bassmaster team. I believe they just did a trout tournament yesterday at one of the local. I mean, they're really into plugging kids in. They put into the community. They're just great people. They're really good people. So again, hop on over to their website, show them some love, tell them Bent Rod sent you, that you actually can on a website, but you know what I mean. Just give them some love. They actually have a lot. I mean, sometimes you go to a mom and pop tackle shop and you're like, oh, there's a reason why you're mom and pop. That's not the case with Jake's. Jake's has grown a lot. They've got a really good selection of all the baits that you're going to want, and they carry a lot of my stuff as well. So show them some love. Hop on over there, pick up the Jenny. The more you buy, the more they order from me. So it's a win-win-win-win. So I've actually been looking forward to shooting this video now for a couple of weeks because I knew I was going to save it for last. And what I mean by that is this is the last color I have to make in order to fulfill all my tackle shop orders. And that's just a big load off. I love my tackle shops, love them. It's not a complaint whatsoever in any way, shape, or form. But it does require a lot of my focus. So I have less time to edit videos. I have less time to shoot videos, honestly. I mean, you just you've got to get laser focused, put your nose down and just get it done. Because it's not just about content creation. These people are running a business, so you kind of have to like really double time for them and try to get their orders. And honestly, the orders were bigger than I expected. So that's why my videos have been like 2.5 weeks apart instead of a week apart, which is what I want to do. So This is it. What you're looking at is me finishing the last of it. All I have to do is let them cure, bag them up, deliver them, and then I can start making more of these custom color videos for you on a more regular basis. So thanks for your patience, guys. Everybody, I've been getting your emails about when my website was going to be restocked. This is another thing that I will be able to start doing now. And I will be back on Whatnot selling some of my regular colors, but a lot of colors that I only will sell on Whatnot. So if you haven't found me on Whatnot yet, hop on over there and check me out if you're interested in purchasing any of my customs, because that's where I'm mainly going to be doing it. And there'll be live sales and deals and giveaways and all that kind of stuff. So hop on over there, check me out. I'm going to be doing a lot of it, actually, kind of moving forward. I am about to go on vacation for 2 weeks because, well, I need it. But when I get back, we'll be hitting this thing full bore. So anyway, and I just want to apologize again to one guy specifically, Chris, Lip Rippers. If you're watching this, man, we did a bait swap. Well, we didn't. We agreed to do a bait swap, and then I still haven't sent you your baits. So I'm about to make some baits here for you. You're going to see me look up as I realize I need to do this for Chris. Like, I can't believe I have forgotten this for so long. So Chris, some of these are coming your way, brother. Thank you. And guys, if you haven't checked out Lip Rippers, go check out Lip Rippers. He makes great videos. He's a great guy, and his colors are pretty dope. So check him out. These are for you, Chris. Sorry for the wait, brother. Love it. Love this color. Good in the river there too. Good. Yep. Probably can't see it, but I'm gonna give you a close-up. And here's your screenshot. I can't give you a promo code because this is an exclusive for Jake's, but hop on over, check them out, and give them some love, guys. As always, thank you and stay bent.